Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and if you're new here, I just want to say welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And my returning family, I want to say hello again. Thank you so much for being here. So as you can see, I normally have, and this is my 4th of July candle right back there. Normally it's lit up. It actually has firecrackers all over it. It's the warm apple pie from Bath & Body Works. And normally it's lit up, but for today's video, it's going to remain unlit because I'm going to be showing you guys fireworks. And so I think it's best I don't have that candle behind me going because yeah. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I ended up getting today at TNT. I did a little walkthrough video, a little tour of what is at TNT as far as, you know, what they have for pricing and that type of thing. I always, I love to compare pricing and see what is out there for fireworks. So now this box was $119. It's plus tax. It was $119.99. It is the all-American box. It's got a bunch of little goodies in it. This has gone up in price from the last couple of years, so it has in a price increase. I've heard it's gone up like 30-40%, you guys. So it's not super inexpensive, but we wanted to go ahead and have like a real nice fireworks show. So but I know it's not like the biggest box they have either, but it'll work for us. So I want to go ahead and show you what this is. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. I'm going to show you each individual what comes in here, and I'm going to show you what it does. Like, it explains what each of them do, and so you can get a better idea to see what comes in the all-American box. So again, $119.99. And there is that. And then before I open up and dive into that box, I want to show you what I ended up getting, like, a la carte. So again, this is all from TNT. So here we go, TNT. So last year we did Phantom, and the year before I think we did TNT. So this year we want to do TNT fireworks. So all right, so here we go, you guys. I did get 2 boxes of sparklers. These are the Morning Glory by TNT. These are the, you know, just the sparklers. These were $14.99. It was buy one, get one free. And you get, I think you get 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 in a pack. So 60 sparklers for $15. So plus tax. So there is that. Then I got these smoke balls. I think they're so fun. So I ended up getting these. There was buy one, get one free on these. So these were $7.99. Again, buy one, get one free. So there's the first pack. And then here is the second pack. They're all the same colors in this particular. I don't know if they come in different colors. I think they do, but I'm not sure. But anyways, so here's the smoke balls that we picked up. So we get a total of 12 for $8. So basically it's like $4 a bag, roughly, if my math is correct. So, because math is not my strong suit, I mention that all the time. But yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into this huge box. So, and supplies are lower this year, I've heard, across the board for both Phantom and TNT. So I'm so glad I went today because I want to make sure I get what I wanted to get. And yeah, because there's lots of TNT stands in my town in Elk Grove, and I went by one and I saw it was the stand was put together and built, but that one opened. The one I went to before I went to the one I was at, that one doesn't open till tomorrow. So anyways, so like I said, let me go ahead without further ado. Let's go ahead and dive into this box. So okay, let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, it's so exciting, you guys. So exciting. So it was another hot one today in Elk Grove. It was like 90 something degrees, 90. Yeah, it was a hot one. Okay, this says it contains 2 punks, 12 specialty items, and 22 fountains. It says contains top selling family favorites featuring Glow Fuse, the glow and dark fuse. Okay, here we go. So let me just open this up, take the plastic wrap off. I'll try to do this as quick as I can. So here is all of this. Take it down. All right, so now we got the plastic off the box, or the outer plastic, I should say, because this is plastic right here. Okay, so you can see right here, it tells you what it comes with, right down here. Contains, what it contains. Okay, so, and then has some safety instructions on the back of the box. They put on the back of the box. And then, let me go ahead and open this up. All right, it contains 36 pieces, it says. Okay, so this is nice. It has like a lid that I can put it back together when I'm done filming this and save it for 4th of July, which is right around the corner, friends. We are looking at what, like now 6 days away, something. It's July 29th, or excuse me, it's June 29th. So yeah, all right, so here we go. All right, there should be, I think there's a list in here too. Okay, so you get blue ribbon. Look at this one. So this one says emits showers of sparks. Usually it'll tell, sometimes they tell you what colors that they emit. Let's see, is this, it says blue ribbon, light absorbing glow fuse. I don't know what that means. If you guys have heard of this one, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what your thoughts are of this box, first of all, and also have you tried any of these fountains? So yeah, I'm really excited about these. Oh, here's the list right here. Okay, so the list is right here. They do put lists in there. Yeah, so I think this is a duplicate. Yeah, this is a duplicate. So they gave me 2 of the same list. So yeah, now I was like, yeah, there's 36 there and 36 here. So yeah, it's a duplicate. But there we go for a little snapshot right there. And so you can see that. Maybe if you want to screenshot it to see what's in here, you know what I mean? So if you want a closer look at it. All right, guys, so moving on. We got the, what is this one? Starfire. Starfire, oh my goodness. So there's the top, and then does this one even say what this one does? Okay, performance, white, glittering, and crackles. So white, glittering, and crackles. So Starfire. I don't know what glow fuse means. It's like on all of this, some of these labels, it says glow fuse right here in the corner. I don't know what that means. This one's kind of like, sounds like something's loose in there. It says glow fuse right on the corner there. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Okay. The next one is, we have this one, it says Sparkling Glory. And this one is emits showers of sparks, Sparkling Glory. Again, there's the top. And this one doesn't give any more detail besides emits showers of sparks. So Sparkling Glory, it's both the front and the back. It looks like this. Okay. Now the next one is going to be, they also gave me these. The next one is going to be, wow, I've never seen this one before. Hot Shot. So what do you think of this one, you guys? Hot Shot. So there it is. This one says emits showers of spark again. Sometimes they have pictures on it that'll tell you what they're doing, like what it does. Like when I did my walkthrough video, I had several. Oh, here it is. Here's the picture right here. Okay, there's the picture. That's what I was looking for. I don't think these, yeah, these do not have pictures. The smaller ones don't. But there's the picture of the light show that it gives, the fountain. Oh, yep, here it is on Starfire. There's the light show on Starfire. I'll let the camera focus on that for a minute. I'll turn it this way so you can see it. Okay, so there's those two. So Hot Shot. All right, the next one is Global Lights. So we have, this one is, here's the picture right here in the corner. It's kind of hard to see, but I'll go in closer, so hopefully the camera will pick that up for you guys. This is called Global Lights. Now, this one, again, colorful silver glitter and red sparks with flowers. Whoa. So a lot goes on with this one. Global Lights. Again, colorful silver glitter and red sparks with flowers. Global Lights. That sounds like a fun one. So, like really pretty. There we go. So this is all in the same box here. Then we have, this one is the biggest of the thing in here. This is like the combustion chamber. We have used this before. I think was we did I think Phantom last year and then TNT the year before. I'm not sure if Phantom sells something like this, but anyway, TNT, this is the combustion chamber, emits showers of sparks. And this thing is pretty big size, if you can see in comparison to like my head. It's a pretty big size, fountain. Performance, red torch with colorful sparks and crackles flowers. So I'm going to try to show you this photo here again. You can see the photo right there. And then there is like a, there's like a race car in the front, I guess. Yeah, it's like a race car in the front, and then like a speedometer on the side. So, all right. The next one is going to be gold dust. Now, I don't know what this one does. Okay, it says emits showers of sparks. Again, gold dust. Is this a new one, you guys? Again, for those who have used TNT before, I don't recognize this one either, gold dust. I don't think this one is sold a la carte. I could be totally wrong, but I didn't see it a la carte today. So I could be, maybe it's something that just comes in the boxes. I mean, I'm no pro at fireworks, but you know, I do enjoy seeing other unboxing videos to see what, again, is out there for fireworks, and, you know, to see what things cost and that type of thing. So gold dust. I like the name of it. So anyways, then the next one is going to be, this one looks interesting. This is called Resolution. This one emits showers of sparks. So this one has Statue of Liberty on it, and it's called, again, Resolution. So it looks like this, okay? And the back has like very colorful, the flag, and we have this the top of it, but it's, yeah, this one is just saying emits showers of sparks. Going closer so you can see. Okay. Then I have in here, we have Rose Blossom. Rose Blossom. Now, I remember I've had this before. I don't remember what it does. This one says, again, emits showers of sparks. And that's all I know. That's all it says. So, Rose Blossom. It's the same design all around the box. Rose Blossom. It's kind of lightweight too. So, I don't know how much is in there. Okay, then I got these. Now, what are these? Flashing fountains. Oh, that's fun. You get 5 pieces in there. Flashing fountain. Right there, I'll go closer in case there's a glare on the camera. So I got 2 packs of them, so each come with 5 pieces. So again, right here, we have a set. Then there is something called Blazer. Emits showers of sparks. Again, sorry guys, most of them are saying emits showers of sparks, but I'm not seeing many pictures on these. I wish that they have more pictures. This one is Blazer. The Blazer. Glow fuse again. I have no idea what that means. I have no idea what glow fuse means. But there is this guy. So it has like outer space on it. It's got like the Saturn, a picture of Saturn on it. Do you see the rings and stuff all around it? There's that one. Okay. And then there is Rain Dance. So this one emits showers of sparks. And again, not sure what it does. But there it is, Rain Dance. So we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have a fun fireworks show. You know, I mean, I'm excited. I'm really excited, and I have some left over from last year, so that we didn't go through all. So, like I have like the snakes, like nothing too exotic left over from last year, but I have the snakes, the firecracker snakes, those ones you just light, and they're like tiny. Yeah, I just have those. But I might be going and checking out other TNT stands and other and maybe phantom stands, and maybe adding some more to my collection. But as far as now, I'm happy with what I have so far. Really happy. Okay, lightning flash. This is 6 pieces. Emits flashes of light. So there's lightning flash. There's the back, and 6 pieces in there. And they gave me 2 boxes. So I have 2 boxes of lightning flash. And the last one is Northern Light. So again, emits showers of sparks. I don't remember this one at all. So it's in the box. But tear off lid before, yeah, it tells you the instructions on the top. But yeah, these are all really labeled. I can't talk today. They're labeled well, like how to use them. So there you go. So TNT Northern Light. All right. So in conclusion, I'm going to run through the list really fast to tell you what I got. Again, Rain Dance, Rose Blossom, Sparkling Glory, Global Lights, Combustion Chamber, Resolution, Blazer, Blue Ribbon, Lightning Flash, 12 pieces. It says TNT flashing fountain, Starfire, punk ×2, gold dust, northern lights, and hot shot. So that's all. I mean, that's a pretty good amount. I know, again, I think 119 is kind of expensive, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's expensive because it's increased in prices, but again, it is what it is. So we wanted to have a nice little firecracker show, so that's why I went ahead and got it. And yeah, so I would love to hear in comments below what was your favorite item that came in this All-American box. Like I said, I think we're gonna have fun. So again, here's the lid right here. And yeah, so again, I did a walkthrough video. If you wanna see that, that'll be posted before this. And what does this say over here? Yeah, has a lot of information on this box. But yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful in deciding what, you know, kind of things are out there for TNT. And again, I might be going to Phantom, and let me know if you'd like me to do a Phantom haul. And yeah, you guys, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this video for now, but if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And again, thank you to my returning family for being here. So with that being said, have a wonderful rest of your evening, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my next haul. So till next time, everybody, take care, God bless, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.